Hello there, my friends. So, it's got a new iPhone and it's still set up on its defaults, and I have location services turned off. Now, if you have location services turned on, this will probably automatically change the location of your weather app. But since my location services are off, because I'm a big privacy guy and I don't necessarily want every app to know exactly where I am at all times, um, I don't need to know what the weather is like in Cupertino. But I would like to know what the weather's like here in Pittsburgh. So what you can do is you can manually set the location. Click on the app until you get a menu here. And then press on Edit Weather, as if we could change the weather outside. I'll edit the snow and turn it into sunshine. So actually you can edit your location by pressing on Location. Here, press on Cupertino, and you can see I've already searched for Pittsburgh, but you could search for any place. So let's search for like Chicago, Illinois, US. You can search for a airport if you want. So hit Chicago, and now we know what the weather's like in Chicago, and that will come up every time we use the phone. Or in my case, let's say you travel between Chicago and Pittsburgh a lot, you can leave that. It'll be in your search list, so you can switch to Pittsburgh. Boom, and that's what it's like in Pittsburgh. So maybe I do want to know what the weather is like in Cupertino, because it's beautiful there, 63 degrees and sunny, as opposed to 34 and possible freezing rain here. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, smash a like for me if that helped you. Leave a comment, that helps me. I'd like to get to know my audience. Plus, you can ask me questions on your phone and what to do next. And I'm learning, so I'll learn with you. Smashing the subscribe button is great too, so you can get updates. I post almost every day. Have a great day. See you on the next one.